Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on CSS text alignment and text direction. Right now we'll be discussing about the CSS vertical alignment. We will be specifying it in length. We'll be using length. So the vertical alignment length is the one we want to be specifying right here. So let's get back to the code and do something. And also let's get back to our document. This is our document right here. As you can see, you can find this playlist in our CSS text align playlist or CSS text alignment playlist. You can find it there. So right now let's quickly do something with this document right here. But right now we are going to be using our CSS vertical alignment again. The CSS vertical alignment, previously we are having super there, but we are going to remove this super, and now we are going to be specifying this in pixel. So firstly I will specify like 25 pixel, so you guys can see what will happen to our this span element is the one we are targeting, and this purple box right here, this purple box. Now let's reload our document and see what will happen. Can you notice what happens? This span element and this purple box move to the top, and this our property, all this text right here, come to the bottom. They come down a little. So let's increase it, like maybe let us give it 80 pixel. And we give it 80 pixel. Let's see what will happen. Can you see? Definitely we are shifting our vertical alignment to the top. So in our previous tutorial I told you guys that vertical alignment is a way of specifying anything from the top to the bottom, bottom to the top. So right here, as you can see, we are able to control the top, the place we want our span element to be around the top. So we are able to specify that using our pixel property. As you can see, using our pixel value. So right now I can increase it, even I can increase it more than, I can give it 100. If I give it 100, you are going to see. Can you see? So I want you guys to practice this, because if you don't do it, nobody will do that for you. And we can bring it down to like 2 pixel. If we give it 2 pixel, we reload our document. Can you see? So just try anything you can try with this, because I don't want us to take too long on this tutorial. Please let us meet in another dimension. On what akorede ayofe is my name once again. I wish to see you guys next time. Peace and love.